Open, Lord, the floodgates of heaven and release sufficient grace. We need your grace in our lives, for we cannot do without you. We need your grace in our lives, for we cannot do without you.
Open, Lord, the floodgates of heaven, release sufficient grace in this place. We need your grace in our lives, for we cannot do without you. We need your grace in our lives, for we cannot do without you. The beauty in vain if the Lord does not build the city, and in vain does the watchman keep vigil if the Lord does not watch over the city. We want to share in the riches of your glory, O Lord. Your grace is enough for us. Open, Lord, the floodgates of heaven, release sufficient grace in this place. We need your grace in our lives, for we cannot do without you. We need your grace in our lives, for we cannot do without you.
This is a gathering of those who have confidence in you. We have confidence, oh Lord, that you will solve all our problems. As our faces differ, so our problems differ. Attend to us one by one.
Open, Lord, the floodgates of heaven, release sufficient grace in this place. We need your grace in our lives, for we cannot do without you. We need your grace in our lives, for we cannot do without you. As we gather in your name, O Lord, never let us be put to shame, O Lord. Save us from the embarrassment of failure. Grant all our efforts we exalt.